Hi there, I'm Tudor, product lead at Mailtrap. In this video, I'll show you how to create, manage, and use suppressions in Mailtrap. Let's get straight to it. Go to Suppressions in the sidebar, click Import Suppressions. You'll see two options. Insert manually, great for small lists. You can choose a stream, transactional, or bulk, pick a domain, or select any to apply across all your domains, paste your email address, one per line, and click Add to Suppressions. Then there's Upload CSV, best for bigger lists. As before, choose your stream and domain, then drag the CSV file or click Browse and choose from the disk. The file should contain a single column of email addresses. Now, click Add to Suppressions. Once suppressions are in place, you can manage them over time. The suppression view lets you filter by email type, reason, domain, or stream. You can also reactivate addresses if needed, all it takes is one click, but usually it's not recommended unless the customer specifically asked you to include them in your mailing list again. If someone unsubscribed or marked you as spam, emailing them again will almost always trigger the same outcome and hurt your deliverability. The same applies to hard bounces. If an address didn't exist last time, it almost certainly still doesn't. You can also export suppressions for audits or migrations. Just hit Export in CSV to get the full list for your account. A few extra points to keep in mind: if a bounce happens, the address is suppressed across all of your domains, including any new ones that you add later. Unsubscribes and spam complaints apply only to the specific domain that they came from. Gmail doesn't share complaint data, so if someone clicks Report Spam in Gmail, Mailtrap won't know. The email will still show as delivered. Temporary errors, like a blocklist hit or a content rejection, don't put an address on the suppression list. You'll need to fix the issue first, but you can still email those recipients once the problem is resolved. And finally, you can always check email logs to see blocked sends, filter for rejected, and view the exact reason behind the suppression. That's suppressions in Mailtrap. A simple but powerful safeguard against reputation damage, wasted sends, and compliance headaches. Keep going with the Getting Started with Mailtrap playlist to see how the rest of the platform fits together. I'll see you there.